you want this to be a very intimate and trusted position to have this sensuality and not be distracted by pain or be bracing yourself because you're worried about back pain. Avoiding back pain during sex is, first of all, you need to get evaluated and find out, how do you relieve your pain when you're not having sex? Getting on your belly, doing press-ups, does that relieve your pain? Or lying on your back, pulling one knee to your chest, two knees to your chest, doing a routine like more stretching in that direction. Again, everybody's different, and they need to be individually evaluated and diagnosed by a physical therapist that can tell you, how do you restore that function. And then when you're looking at the sex, part, like, how do I keep my spine supported? Again, with the pillows under the low back is great. Just like as if you were sitting in a chair, you'd put a pillow in your low back that feels better. Kind of explore that, honey, let me get a pillow under my back, or, why don't you try this, because that feels better on my back. Again, you want this to be a very intimate and trusted position to have this sensuality and not be distracted by pain or be bracing yourself because you're worried about back pain. Because again, that affects not just you, but your partner.